Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can pick screen refresh rate of this Motorola. Begin by exiting devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on display section. Now you need to scroll down again and tap on display refresh rate. Following that, click on the best option for you. I will go with this one. Now, as you can see, after that, display refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!